Drug deals and social media apps were part of the testimony today in the overdose death of former Los Angeles Angels Major League pitcher Tyler Skaggs. He was found dead in a South Lake hotel room in 2019 in town to play the Texas Rangers. The team's former communications manager is on trial in Tarrant County, charged with giving Skaggs drugs laced with fentanyl. Fox 4's Dion Anglin has been in federal court once again listening to testimony. Dion.
Hi there, Clarice. The federal government is continuing to press its charge that Angels staffer Eric K. provided Tyler Skaggs with the drugs that ended his life. Today, the witness testimony gave further insight into the drugs the government says are involved in this case. Witnesses on Monday included Chris Lianos, a California man who was an associate of Tyler Skaggs. He confirmed under oath he has sold drugs and used them, and that he agreed to testify in exchange for immunity. U.S. Attorney Lindsey Barron asked, "Did Tyler Skaggs ever ask you for oxycodone?" Lianos answered, "Yes, once." Barron, "When?" Lianos, "A week or two before his death." Barron, "How did you respond?" Lianos, "I told him not to mess with that stuff." Barron, "Why did you tell him not to mess with it?" Lianos, "Because I know it's dangerous, and I know people who've died from it." Another witness, South Lake PD Sergeant Jonathan Machika, is over the department's criminal investigations. He revealed messages from an email account registered to Eric K. interacting with other users on the site OfferUp. Prosecutor Aaron Martin and the detective read roughly a dozen messages in court where Kay responded to people selling oxycodone, which is referred to by different code names. In negotiating with one seller, Kay asked, "Can you meet halfway in Anaheim?" The seller responded, "Might. Don't have a ride now. How many?" Kay's response, "Probably 10, but gotta have confirmed legit. Too much fake expletive out there." In a different exchange, Kay asked a seller with oxy pills, "Is this still available?" The response, "I got you." Kay, "Nice, where you at?" Later in the exchange, Kay asks, "Can you swing by Angel Stadium in the next hour?" The response, "Yes, what part?" Kay, "Front offices, gate 5. Now, the defense points out that in the 2 weeks preceding Skaggs' death, that there are no messages on OfferUp involving Kay. They do point out that 10 days after Skaggs' death, that Kay is once again interacting with a seller on OfferUp about buying oxy pills. There is some talk among those in the court or in the courthouse here today that the government could rest its case as early as by the end of tomorrow.